Hey gang, Puppy here, caffeine BS for Sunday the 10th of November 2019. I'm feeling really good. The surgical procedure I had on my heart Tuesday, specifically it was coiling the interior left mammary artery. In 2005, when Dr. Sakopoulos did my 5-way bypass, he bypassed 2 of them with the mammary artery. Didn't bother me too much. I wasn't using them glands anyway. Anyway, just recently Dr. Divakaruni coiled it because too much blood was going other than to the heart. So they did pinch it off there, so go to the desired location. You know, take that bottleneck off of the on-ramp. And I'm feeling much better. I've been doing stuff. I can stand up for 5 minutes and not need to grab the wall because I'm puffing like the General Grant locomotive going up a 45-degree slope. Yeah, I know, impossible. How about that one on Mount Washington? Yeah, how about that one? Puffing like that one. Now doing that, able to walk around normal. I mean, I'm talking no more of get up, take 4 steps, out of breath, have to grab the wall. No more of that. And as soon as my doctor says I can resume normal activity, and then I'll resume normal activity, be out in the shop, screaming about lack of tooling, materials, equipment, time, blah, blah, blah. You know, the usual. I'll be coming up with content somehow. I got some miscellaneous projects that might be interesting to you. But again, maybe not. I don't know. We will find out.